Hi
Hi
guys,
guys.
welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we'll be discussing how to have it all in an organized but not an overworked way. What we usually think having it all means is going to all the classes, studying for 6 to 8 hours a day, going to the gym, finding some time for your hobby, socializing, going to parties, and then wake up the next day and still score a 90 in your patho exam.
Disclaimer. To have it all is in fact a myth. It all comes down to micromanaging every second of every day, which in fact humanly leads to a lot of mumbo jumbo.
Number one, the principle of essentialism. So this basically focuses on managing your time and energy in the right direction. So you have to make the wisest possible investment of your time and energy in deciding the most important tasks of your day.
You can't spend your whole day only studying or only socializing, because either way you'll miss out on your other objective.
Every day, all you need to do is focus on 2 out of your 4 objectives. So, say it's studies and gym for Monday, and studies and dance or whatever hobby you have on Tuesday, and gym and socializing on a Wednesday. So, when you pick any 2 objectives from the lot of 4, you are able to jumble between all 4 of your goals in such a fun way that is less energy consuming, and also by the end of the week you'll find that you have invested in all of your goals in a balanced manner, and that you are one step above academically, physically, socially and mentally than you were a week before.
Lastly, what you need to remember here is that, say today you've chosen academics plus socializing, then whatever task is in your hand at that time, you have to give it your 100%. Number 2, taking charge. Always remember to make yourself the protagonist of your story. Every day accounts for some growth, some sort of personal development.
You need to start giving yourself more importance. Believe in yourself that if you work for things, things around you will change. And for that, you need to keep some, if not all of the day for yourself.
Create a habit of imagining how your day is gonna look like before you even leave your room. So this includes allotting time to 2 of your 4 goals you'll work on that day, as well as the time you're gonna spend on them, with keeping rest breaks of minimum 1 hour before shuffling between these.
This habit most importantly comes with the fact that you'll have to learn to say no. If that particular day your priority is the test tomorrow and you have saved some time for the gym, then academics and health should be your only focus.
So what we basically want to share via this video is the fact that you can go out every weekend with your friends and still be good at studies. You can spend a lot of time reading novels or learning a music instrument or dance your heart out and still find time for gym and fitness.
All you need to learn is how to organize and micromanage your day, and take charge of each of all the 7 days by dividing your 4 goals through each day.
Believe me, the feeling that you get after coming to your room after spending an organized day filled with both productive and academic goals, it's the most rewarding feeling in the world.
Not only did you improve yourself academically and physically, but you also enjoyed a bag of endorphins, socializing and entertaining a hobby.
It actually leads to the happiest version of yourself.
To a person who knows how to live life to the fullest.
And this principle is what we call
Having it all.
Just beat it.
And
And in that boyfriend.
ये भी डाल देंगे. That baby finally my boyfriend. और हर तरह के ऑडियंस. Class just like me. Here's a list. अब ये इतना fake I know. You have to feed all this, okay?
LGBTQ.
क्या बोल
Cut. Okay, तुम
रहे
you
हो?
can't.
I can't do anything.
No, you do be.
Just for the show. Shut up.
and bend over. Let your bucket to the top and over.
All of this is in fact possible.